Are you chasing clients for money? That's unpaid overtime. And frankly, your energy deserves better. Manual follow-ups, they drain your mode and your momentum. So here is your money minute tip for today. Set up automatic reminders in your invoice tool once and done. Schedule 3 reminders, 7 days before the due date, on the due date, and 3 days after. Clients using this simple system get over 50% more on-time payments. Are you team manual or team automatic? Cast your vote. Hit the link in our bio for your free consult to get your reminders firing today. And let's grow together.
Ready to simplify your finances? DM, email us or call us today. Let's grow together.